Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how exciting it is to move your assets around. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from your Arculus wallet to Kraken. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just consolidate your holdings, this step-by-step process will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Arculus wallet app installed on your device and a verified Kraken account. Double-check that you have some XRP in your Arculus wallet. Nothing worse than trying to transfer what you don't have. Also, remember that crypto transfers involve real money, so always verify details to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app and log in with your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your XRP balance. It's usually listed under your portfolio or assets section, easy to find with the app's intuitive interface. Next, select the Send or Transfer option for XRP. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Head over to your Kraken account on their website or app, go to your deposit section, and copy the XRP deposit address. Paste that address into the Arculus wallet field. Don't forget to double-check the address. Typos can lead to permanent loss. Now, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, XRP transactions are still super fast and cheap, but fees can vary. Review the transaction details, including the total amount and fees, then confirm with your wallet's security measures, like biometrics or a PIN. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. XRP on the XRP ledger is known for its speed, so this should only take a few seconds to a minute. Head back to Kraken and check your account. Your XRP should appear shortly. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your XRP from Arculus to Kraken. Always keep an eye on market trends and secure your accounts with strong passwords. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.